Hello everyone. I hope I find all of you well, and special greetings to the professor who's teaching the class. My name is Tholi Mlondiwa. I'm sure most of you are going to find it very difficult to pronounce that name, so I go by Tholi, Tholi. That makes it easier for everyone to be able to pronounce the name. I live in Nashville, Tennessee. Those of you who are not familiar with Nashville, Tennessee, it's very well known for country and western music. So we enjoy a lot of country music down here. My hobbies, I like to travel. I've been to several countries in the world. And I also like to go to church. I like singing, and I like watching movies with the family. And I do have a family. I'm married, and I have 2 children, a boy and a girl, and we spend a lot of time together. So right now I work as a transportation manager. It's not related to biochemistry in any way, but I've always wanted to do health sciences. I did biology and exercise science at bachelor's level, but I never got a chance to work in the field. So the reason why I'm taking this class is to try to see if I can refresh my memory on the sciences, and if it looks good, I have a plan to switch careers and go into the healthcare industry. So specifically, I'd like to apply to PA school, but it all depends on how well this class goes. So I really hope that it goes well. I'm enjoying it so far. I haven't had much time, but I plan to put in as much time as will be required, and I hope that it goes well. And if it does, I'll definitely try my luck at applying to PA school, and hopefully I get accepted and I get to do what I really enjoy doing. So I hope that everybody enjoys the class, and I hope we all have a nice time and that we're successful in the class. So I hope you enjoy watching my video, and I look forward to watching everyone else's videos. Thank you very much.